ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எம்சிக்யூ வீடியோ பார்ட் 14 பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், இன் rheumatoid arthritis during the acute phase the values which are significant are option A LFT elevation, option B CBC elevation, option C RFT elevation, option D ESR and CRP elevation. Answer option D ESR and CRP elevation. Second question, the nurse assesses a client who is taking spironolactone daily and the healthcare provider has just ordered captopril. Which of the following is the most important action for the nurse to take? Option A, auscultate the patient's lung sounds. Option B, educate the patient to take the first dose at bedtime. Option C, assesses the patient's heart rate. Option D, assess the patient for any history of GI bleeding. Answer option B, educate the patient to take the first dose at bedtime. Third question, before assisting with angiography for heart disease, which of the following must the nurse determine about the client? Option A, client's respiratory rate. Option B, client's urinary function. Option C, the client's lipid profile. Option D, the presence of shellfish allergy. Answer option D, the presence of shellfish allergy. Fourth question, CABG stands for option A, coronary artery ballooning graft. Option B, coronary artery bypass graft. Option C, carotid artery bypass graft. Option D, carotid artery ballooning graft. Answer option B, coronary artery bypass graft. Fifth question, vitamin essential for a healthy skeletal system is? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin D. Option C, vitamin E. Option D, vitamin K. Answer option B, vitamin D. Sixth question, the part of the bone that enters into the formation of a joint is called? Option A, fasciite. Option B, bony sinus. Option C, condyle. Option D, articulating surface. Answer option D, articulating surface. Seventh question, what is the normal range for fetal heart rate during labor? Option A, 60 to 80 beats per minute. Option B, 80 to 100 beats per minute. Option C, 110 to 160. Option D, 170 to 200. Answer option C, 110 to 160 beats per minute. Eighth question, a patient complains of pain. A nurse aide who has completed the basic certified nursing course should? Option A, get the patient some pain medication. Option B, call the doctor. Option C, tell the medication nurse. Option D, tell the patient to tell the medication nurse when he or she comes in. Answer option C, tell the medication nurse. Ninth question, a patient known to have Alzheimer's disease tells the nurse assistant that she smells smoke. The nurse aide should? Option A, reassure the patient that there is no fire. Option B, look around for a fire. Option C, put the patient to bed because she is clearly tired. Option D, tell her that no one is allowed to smoke in the building. Answer option B, look around for a fire. 10th question, a child in postoperative ward under observation after tonsillectomy is suspected to have postoperative hemorrhage when the child option A swallows frequently, option B complains of thirst, option C become pale, option D snores noisily. Answer option A swallows frequently. 11th question. A patient has just returned from the post-anesthesia care unit after hemorrhoidectomy. His postoperative order includes sitz bath every morning. The nurse understands that sitz bath is necessary for option A lower body temperature, option B promote healing, option C relieve tension, option D reduce pain. Answer option B promote healing. 12th question. Florence Nightingale was born on option A May 12th 1820, option B May 13th 1824, option C April 7 1820, option D June 12 1842. Answer option A May 12th 1820. 13th question. Nurse working in an operation theatre must know the risk of HIV infection with needle stick injury is about option A 1:100, option B 1:200, option C 1:300, option D 1:400. Answer option C 1:300. 14th question. ICTC stands for option A Integrated Counseling and Testing Centers, option B Integrated Counseling and Treatment Centers, option C Intermittent Counseling and Treatment Centers, option D Intermittent Counseling and Testing Centers. Option A Integrated Counseling and Testing Centers. 15th question. Who is the competent authority that enforces the BSQR? Option A MHRA, option B BPT, option C NPSA, option D NMC. Answer option A MHRA. 16th question. What does BBT stand for? Option A better blood transfusion, option B better blood team, option C British blood transfusion, option D British ballooning team. Answer option A better blood transfusion. 17th question. Hormonal contraceptive of choice in lactating women is option A Sencroman, option B multibasic pill, option C combined pill, option D mini pill. Answer option D mini pill. 18th question. Before giving blood transfusion, a nurse must note the date, time of collection and must be aware that packed RBCs can be stored up to option A 25 days, option B 35 days, option C 45 days, option D 55 days. Answer option B 35 days. 19th question. Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? Option A liver, option B brain, option C skin, option D heart. Answer option C skin. 20th question. What is the functions of the red blood cells? Option A producing antibodies, option B filtration of toxins, option C digesting food, option D carrying oxygen. Answer option D carrying oxygen.
Friends, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க,